Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to upload question paper on LMS. First of all, you have to enroll this one number on Google, that is 18.235.169.74 oblique B form. After that one you have to enter, then you will get this one page. Okay, in this page you have to go on to the right side, login is there. Once you have to enter, click on login, you will appear this one page. In this one page, you have to give or enter your login details. Means your the B form, your initials are there and the password is there that you have to be given by the respective faculty. Then you have to enter that one. Then click on login. After clicking on login, you will appear this one page. Then for which subject you are going to conduct examination, you have to click on that one particular subject. This is my profile page is there. I'm going to take herbal drug technology. For example, so I'm going to conduct the examination for herbal drug technology, either a continuous assessment, theory, or the sessional examination, or practical sessional examination. Okay, you have to click on this one subject. Then this will page appear. In this one page, on the right hand side, you will appear a setting. You have to click on setting button. Okay. Then you will, after clicking on setting, you will appear this one. In this one, you have to click on turn editing on. Okay. After clicking on turn editing on, you will appear this one page. Here, you will appear add on activity or resources. Just you have to click on this one particular button, add on activity. Once you have to click on add on activity, you will appear this one page. Now here the number of the activities are there that are given, which you want to conduct. Whether you want to give assignment, you want to conduct quiz. Okay. Now as per schedule, we are going to conduct quiz. So you have to click on the quiz. After clicking on quiz, you have to click on add. Okay. After that one, you will appear this one page. That is your continuous assessment or the quiz is there. Here, the name and the descriptions are there. In case of this one name, you have to mention first continuous assessment or first sessional examination, what you want to conduct, right? So, I have mentioned first continuous assessment and the same one is I have copied into the description also, right? Here, I have mentioned the same one I have copied. Okay, then after, then you have to click on the timing. In case of the timing, you this date is there, that is inactive one. To what you want to active, you have to click on enable. You have to give marking. After clicking on enable, you have to also click on the second one, means what, for what timing you want to conduct examination. So the date, the month, year, all these things are there that are mentioned. Then the timing, at what timing you want to start the examination and at what timing you want to conclude your examination or end examination. All these things are there that are to be become active when you have to click on the enable button. Okay, then you have to click on this one, that is a time limit. Means if your examination is there is for 10 minutes, for example, then within this one particular period, that is a 16 to 17, but whenever the student start examination, within a 10 minute the examination is there is to be completed, and automatically though the student has forget to submit button, the examination will be automatically submitted. As the sessional examination is there is for 1 hour, so I mentioned the 60 minutes. If the examination is for 10 minutes, then you have to mention the 10 minutes or the 30 minutes. What are the schedule is there? As per schedule, you have to mention the timing. Okay. Then this is also possible only when you have to click on the enable button. Okay. After that one, you are in a grade. Grade to pass. Suppose the 50% marking is there is necessary. You are going to conduct examination of the 10 marks. So from the 10 mark, 50% comes to near about 5. So the five marks are there that is to be required to pass students. Okay, so five you have to mention. Then attempt, as the one attempt is there, so we have to mention one attempt. Suppose student fail and you want to take the re-examination, then you have to mention the two in that one particular case. Okay, if you have to mention the two attempts, then students are there that are going to give the examination. And when the first, sometimes the student fails and you want to regain the examination, so in that case also the two attempts are there that is required. So while considering the marks, which marks do you want to consider? It's a hectic. And now, in this case, you have to select the highest grade. Then, in both the examination, which one is higher? That marks are there that are to be considered. Okay. So, likewise, the settings are there that you have to be uh, done. Then the next one is there, the question behavior is there, whether you want to shuffle. Yes, it is always necessary to shuffle the question so that number of the students are there that is not getting the same question at a time. They get the different question what you have selected or you place. Shuffle, in shuffle you have to mention yes. Then this one page is there that should appear, that is the review options are there. In the column, first one column is there is inactive, second, third, and fourth column is active one. So in this case, only the marks are there that is necessary. So you have to remove the other contents and you have to keep only the marks. Okay, just as shown here, just and remove other, that is the attempt, then whether the correct, all these things are there that you have to be removed, and just you have to place only the marks. Then remaining settings are there, no need to change the setting. Directly you come on the bottom side and you have to yes, one point is there is to be remaining, that is a decimal place in a grade. What are the two grades points are there that you have to be switch to the zero, so that the round figure marks are there that is to be appears not in a decimal points. After that, you have to click on the save and return to the course. After completion of this one, when you have to be click on save and return button, you shift to the next one page, this one page. Okay, so in this case, you have appear this one first continuous assessment. You have to click on this one first continuous assessment. You will divert it to this one particular page. Then in this page, you have to click on this one edit quiz button. Okay, in case of this one edit quiz button, you have to click on that one button. You will get this one particular page. Here, your examination is for total 10 marks and each question getting the 1 mark if there is a 10 questions are there. So here you have to mention the 1 marks for which the how many marks are there that is to be given to each question that is to be required. Then you have to give the shuffle, yes. Then most important, you have to click on add. When you have to click on add button, this page will appear. So which type of the question, what you want, you want to add a new question, so you have to click on a new questions. Okay, when you have to click on a new question, this page will appear. So which type of the question you want, whether you want multiple choice question, whether you want true or false, whether you want matching, likewise. So we are going to decide multiple choice question. You have to click on multiple choice question and click on add button. Okay, after that one you will get this page. In this page you have to give the question name, means you have to type your question what you want. Then in this case you are typing the question, the same one you have to copy here. Okay, question is there is copy here, then you have to move down, then the answers are there. Okay, in this answer you have to mention this one, that our question is there, which one college is there, in which college you are going to study. The correct answers are there, that is the St. College of the pharmacy. So This is the correct answer. So in case of this one, you have to mention the correct answer, Engineering College of Pharmacy. Then you have to give the 100%, that is 100% correct answer is there. Okay, so you have to mention that one. Then the next one options are there, that is College of Pharmacy Rahuri. This is the second option, which is not a correct one. So we have to give none. Third one, likewise, the options are there that have to be given, and here for each you have to mention none. What is the correct answer is there that you have to mention yes, 100%. Then you have to click on the save changes. This is about multiple choice question. Now this is finished. Now again you have to go into the add-on button. Again in this one add-on button, you want to add a second one question, that is a true or false. Again you have to click on add button. Then you have to type your question in a question name. For example, the question is there, is Sanjani College of Pharmaceutical Education is in Kopargaon, whether it is a true or false. You have to copy the same one. Then your answer, correct answer is there, whether it is a true or false. If it is a true, then you have to select true, right? Then after this one, you have to come in this one, that is a whether you want whether what is the question you type or is correct or wrong. You want to observe this one, so you have to click on preview quiz now. Okay, after completion of your work, when you have to complete your all the questions, what is the number of the questions are there, 10, 20, 30, and options are there, that is everything is finished. Then you want to check, then you have to click on the preview quiz now. After this one, you will appear this one. Then you have to click on start attempt button. After clicking on this one, you will appear this one. Then just on the same basis, you can do the trial also. Then the next page is there. Okay, you have to click on the next page. Select this one. What are the means as a trial you can give the test also at the same time, and you have to conduct the test as a student. Click on the finish attempt, then you will appear this one page. In this case, you have to click on the submit or and finish. You will get this one page. Means just like the questions are there, that is appear, and the answers are there, that is also appear. So in this way, your examination, how to upload the questions are there, that is a completed now. If you have any query, then you have to ask me or ask to Ajinkya Puri sir. Okay, thank you.